Hi everyone! In this video, I would like to show you how to make a grasshopper string figure. If you don't have a cat's cradle string loop yet, please make one for yourself by following the tutorial video in the description box below. Let's get started! First, spread out the string loop. Hook one end of the string onto your left thumb and pinky finger. Keep the strings parallel and hook the other end onto your right thumb and pinky finger. Then, with your right middle finger, pick up the horizontal string on your left palm. Next, with your left middle finger, pick up the horizontal string running between the two vertical strings on your right palm. This is what the figure looks like from above. Now we're going to pick up the two strings marked with red stars using the back of both thumbs. Then pick up the string marked with blue stars using the back of both pinky fingers. Next, we're going to move the horizontal string in front of the thumbs to the other side. To do this, you can use your right thumb and pointer finger to bring the string right over the front of your left thumb. Then switch to your left thumb and pointer finger and bring the string over to the front of your right thumb. Next, with your right thumb and pointer finger, pick up the horizontal string behind your pinky fingers and bring it right to the front of your left pinky. Then switch to your left thumb and pointer finger and bring the string right to the front of your right pinky finger. Now, slowly let go of your middle fingers and pull your hands to the sides. This is the cat's cradle grasshopper. Let's do it one more time. Spread the string loop. One end of the loop, hook on thumb and pinky. And the other end, hook onto the thumb and pinky as well. With right hand middle finger, pick the horizontal string in the same way. With the left hand middle finger, pick the horizontal string of right hand but in between two vertical strings. Now, with both thumbs, pick up these two strings behind pointer fingers with back of thumbs. If you can do it, you can do it together with pinky fingers, just like this. And let's move the horizontal strings in front of the thumbs. And the other side. And then go to the horizontal string behind the pinkies. Pick it up and bring the string in front of the pinkies. Almost there. Let go of the middle fingers and grasshopper. I hope you enjoyed this grasshopper tutorial video. This is a quite easy and enjoyable figure, so please give it a try. Thank you for watching.